this thing in here.
Get back in.
What?
Whoa! Did you see that?
What is it going to hurt me? Ah, ah.
What was that, Conrad?
I'm going to look for it now. Now look for it.
Tell the camera what that was. What was that?
Lightning. Camera. Get back in here, camera.
You want to aim it? You want to aim it? You don't put your finger on the front. You just aim it like this. You can't look through it. No, this one you don't look through. You just aim it like a flashlight. Like that. Just aim it out there. Don't throw it. Just aim it out there.
It'll look for light and feel lightning.
It'll view the lightning?
It's looking for it. See this little light bulb and a tween? It helps it see. It helps it see our window. Look at your camera. It's gonna view your car. It's gonna view that car. That's gone and viewed it.
You viewed it. Okay. Whoa, what's that one? Whoa.
It got
the
it.
camera all around, yeah?
It